I'm Danny Howes. I'm the Associate Director of the Joel A. Katz Music and Entertainment Business Program. My background is a professional musician, so I try to bring that to the students, and I've had a lot of experience in studios and teaching audio. And we here at MEBUS have an educational partnership with Dolby Atmos. We're used to hearing music in stereo, which is just, of course, the left and right speakers. But to hear music all around you, which is how we experience the world in general, this is what is called a 7.4.1 Dolby Atmos system, which means if you look around, there are 7 strategic speakers all the way around us. The 4 are what are called the height speakers that are above us, and then the 0.1 is the sub speaker that we have down here, which allows you to have this completely immersive spatial thing around you, the sub, and sound coming from above you as well. When we mix music for audio, we're always thinking of the spatial orientation of left and right stereo. There's something called frequency masking. You're trying to cram all the frequencies of a song into a left and right speaker. There are frequencies that just get masked or robbed because you're trying to make room for all of these things in 2 speakers. With Atmos, you can spread the sounds around. So a sound that maybe needed to share space in 2 speakers now can be placed in this left rear speaker and have its own frequency landscape to do it. Height speakers is really what makes the difference in what Dolby Atmos is compared to a traditional surround sound that we might have had in our home theaters for a long time. I kind of thought Dolby Atmos would be a trend. I thought it was very trendy. I didn't think it would really have a future, but I'm seeing that this is where the future of audio production is. Every company and all the way that content is being created now is forward thinking with Atmos. Record companies are going back and they're remixing their catalogs in Atmos. The music that you grew up with, that you already have a very visceral, emotional connection with, suddenly is 3-dimensional. It's coming from above you, around you. And newer artists, like take for instance Billie Eilish, when she records, she's thinking conceptually about how she's going to place her productions in an Atmos environment. My feeling is with this Atmos technology, new genres and new ways of actually creating music will be created based off of the technology, which would be really, really exciting.